Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to forgot the saved Wi-Fi network on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to forgot some Wi-Fi network users already connected to your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, go inside the setting, and here you have this option called Wi-Fi. Click on this. Now it shows all the Wi-Fi you just connected. Then you have this option. If I just connect to this particular Wi-Fi, click on this. Now go to the bottom section, and here you have this option called Forgot Network. So click on the Forgot Network option. So this will remove the Wi-Fi you just already connected. This is the way that you can just forgot your Wi-Fi network on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.